Hi friends, my name is Shrikant from Cloud4Green Technologies, and here we'll learn about Python OOPS concepts. Before start the session, brief introduction about Cloud4Green Technologies. Our journey has started before 8 years and we have long experience regarding cloud-based technology. This is the best platform to learn this technology, and we will get more information on cloud4green.com website. Let's start the session. There have two types of programming languages. One is procedure oriented programming language like C, and object oriented programming language like C++, Java, and Python. So here we will learn OOPS concept through Python language. Here I have created one program where I have created a car manufacturing company as a business, and through that example we will able to means understand clearly. So class is nothing but one business in nature. If you carry forward, means if you want to share our business information to branch, to showroom, so we need one representative. So that representative is nothing called in programming language as an object. So here you can see, here I have created one class. In that class I have created some functions: one frame, look, color, model, price, location. If you want to use this functionality, so you need to create this business class one object. Here I have created one object rep, and if you this representative object through, if you call any function rep.frame, rep.color, it will run successfully. You can see here, if you run as rep.frame, I will not go deeply everything, because it is just introduction about the OOP concept. If I go to the deeply through the each and every parameters, so session will be too long. So just learn how, means what is the OOPS concepts, just we want to learn this thing. So object is nothing but one type of representative who is carrying functionality from one class to another class. Next will come encapsulation. What is mean of encapsulation? It is a collection of different types of department. Like if any business, they have service department, production department, cleaning department, marketing department, advertising department. So these all departments are under one organization. It is called a encapsulation. So same thing, this is just understanding basic concept. Here is nothing related to the code, but you have to understand. Next will come abstraction, also nothing but one product where no need to think how that product will run. Just we have to think what is used to us that product. Like here I have created one simple example. There are water bottle, so we no need to think how that bottle have created, means made, and in that bottle how water bottle, how that water have filled out. Our duty is, or our requirement is, just we have to drink that water. So same thing, when abstraction thing is came in the nature, we have to just think to use that functionality. No need to think how that functionalities work, just we have to use that. So next will come polymorphism, is nothing but how to run business, some methodology, some rules, that is called polymorphism. Next will come inheritance. Inheritance nothing but there have some one head office, under that head office different types of branches. Suppose there are one branch, two branch, three branch, and how that branches related to each other, in that nature there have different types of inheritance. So there you can see here single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. We will start means we will learn through the program now here. So here I have created one business class, in that have some functions, and in that function means to use this functionality, I have created here rep one object from business class. If you call with this rep.frame, means rep object dot frame is nothing but here is one function. So it will execute code, it will be print one frame, and if you call rip.color, it will show color of the car. Then if you call rip.model, which type of means when this car have manufactured, so it is in 2020. If you call rip.price, so it will show price of the car 7 lakh. If you call rip.location, where it is available, so it will show a car is available in Bangalore and state is Karnataka. So this basically functionality to understand I have created. Next will come single means inheritance. What is mean of single inheritance? One head office is there, under that head office one branch is there, in single, one parent one child, is called a single inheritance. How to create a subclass? One, if you if you want to call the parent functionality, so just create means use keyword class, then give subclass name as a branch, and under bracket mention parent class name. If you mention here parent class name, all functionality, all these functionality will be means carry forwarded to the branch class. So for to execute this code and show to you that output, I have created branch one object, means b underscore rip, means branch representative, one object is there. If you branch representative dot frame, if you call like this, it will be called from this business base class, this function will be called. So see, it is very useful, no need to think how that function have created in business class. If our one time investment, but if you created more branches, in that branches just share or give some access to the branches to use that functionality, so they can use very perfectly. No need to create new software to for the branches, just same softwares, just give sharing or give some access to the branches. So here you can see through branch class object also you can run the same functionality from the business class. So next will come multi-level inheritance. What is mean of multi-level? Means one head office, under that head office one branch is there, and under that branch one showroom is there, means level by level. So here same thing, I have created one code, you can see here is the branch, here is the showroom, and this branch class created from business parent class, and in showroom I have taken all functionality from the branch class, and here I have created object showroom representative dot look, and if you call this look function, you can see here is the output. Where is this look function defined? So it is defined in business class. So you can see it is a multi-level, means first level is business, second level is branch, and third level is showroom, but till you have access to run that functionality through the object oriented programming. So next will come multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance nothing but one child class, but there have different parent classes. I want to purchase car, but I don't have money. So how to purchase? So I will go through the bank. I will take some loan and I will visit to the showroom and I will purchase the car. So same thing, customer is a child and two parents are there, means I want to purchase car, means showroom is the one parent and bank is another parent. So from that two classes, one class have created is called a customer, means this customer details having showroom also and this customer details having bank also. Also customer have connected to showroom and customer have connected to the bank. So this is called a multiple inheritance. Here you can see multiple inheritance. So next we'll go hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical is nothing but one parent class and multiple child classes. So here you can see here is the branch 1, branch 2, branch 3. which is carrying all functionality from the business parent class, business and business. So if you create different objects like b branch 1 object from branch 1 class, branch 2 object from branch 2 class, branch 3 underscore representative object from branch 3 class. So you can learn all functionality from the business class. After that will come hybrid inheritance, is nothing but combination of multiple inheritances. So here which are multiple? So suppose here you can see student, exam and result, and this is the multi-level inheritance, student, exam and result. In that, project is another class is there. So from project, if you want to take functionality, so it is called a multiple inheritance. So different two types of inheritance is called a hybrid inheritance. So same thing I have created here, student, exam and result. These are functionally going on. Same time we have created one project class also there, and this result class is taking functionality from exam as well as from project, and after that it will be show the result with project and exam score. So this is the, so that's it friends. Going close this session. Just believing others is easy, but believing in yourself, that is real challenge, because we can easily believe other people, but when time come to believe ourselves, it's too difficult. So just trust ourselves, because Swami Vivekananda told, who is believing ourselves, he is a better person, because if you have self confidence, you can handle any situation in the life. Thank you friends.